Hello friends, today I will show you how to add mods in Aternos server. First, go to your browser and set up a server on Aternos. I have already done mine. Go to the software option and install Forge on the server. Remember to choose the version of Minecraft you are using. Now go to the mods option and search for the mod here. Download the right version from here. If it says to download additional mods, the process is the same. You also need the mod files on your PC. Download them like this. Now download Forge like this and install it. Wait for this to finish. Open up Run. And put in %app data % and press enter. From here, go to the .minecraft folder. And then the mods folder. Copy and paste the downloaded mod files. You are all done. You can go ahead and start your server and join it to enjoy your mods. Thanks for watching.